Yeah, this is Green Team University. Today is, I believe, the 28th of November. I have two court cases on the 29th of November. Green Team University, our whole mission is to make sure that the streets, mainly the streets, learn law and master law. The streets of America are pretty much the area that the police victimize. The police have become a opposing force, an opposition, a equal game that is combating the streets. And we as Green Team University, we are advocates of the streets. We are advocates of criminal law. We believe that the criminal justice system is criminal. And since they haven't given us reparations, since black people and Hispanics and Native Americans are mistreated in this country, the main thing that we need to know now is we need to learn law. Law underpins everything that we do, and those who master law become sui juris. We become sovereign. We pretty much know how to combat the state's attorney, combat the police, combat evidence technicians, and it's pretty much about intelligence. So this particular video from Green Team University, and thank you for those who have subscribed, thank you for those who have liked the videos, and thank you for those who have made comments. This particular installment of Green Team University that's coming out of Green Team Legal Aid is how to get away with murder. A lot of people think that once they have the poll, once they have the prints, once they have the gunpowder residue, once they have the statements you made on yourself, you booked, that's it, it's over with. You getting your 20, 30 years, you know what I'm saying? But there's an actual case that occurred in Cook County, that we say Crook County, that was a murder case. It was an actual case that I read in Lake County Jail on LexisNexis of a gentleman in Cook County who actually murdered two people in broad daylight. And everyone saw it. It was not a question. He's going down. But the reason we titled this particular video, How to Get Away with Murder, because we want the street to understand that no matter how much evidence they have on you, it doesn't matter. That's not how Green Team approaches cases. We're not looking at who's guilty. We're not looking at who's innocent. We are forcing the state to prosecute their case. We are forcing the police to be accountable by their protocols and by the laws that are enforced upon the police. We're enforcing those in the state of Illinois to go by the body cam law and the dash cam law. If they don't record everything on body cam and dash cam law, you can beat that case. We're looking at all the mistakes that 12 makes. We're looking at the mistakes that the prosecution makes. We're looking at the mistake that the judge makes. You can remove a judge. And it's not just change a venue. You can remove that judge at any particular point in time. Then you're looking at the indictment. So when you break it all down, you have to ask yourself, can you truly beat every case? And the answer is yes. And this is what white people know. This is what great white lawyers know. And this is why you hire the best lawyer you can find, okay? This is how you beat a murder case using an actual case. He murdered two people in broad daylight in Chicago. He beat the case. How? He beat the case because he filed himself a 120-day speedy trial. The case was brought up on, I believe, 164 or 184 days he actually began trial. In the trial, he filed another motion that his speedy trial was violated. He won that motion. He beat that case. That case ended because the state did not follow the 120-day law. That's how you beat murder. You beat murder by technicalities, and that's how Green Team fights. Green Team University, we ask you to subscribe. Once again, my name is Jawad Hashim Hakeem. I'm running for President of the United States. Please subscribe, join our journey. We are the Triumph Campaign because we're going to win. But we're going to win because we're going to touch everybody where it really, really matters. And a lot of our family are locked up, and we really have to find a way to get them out.